Have you heard of the law of attraction but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you've tried to use the law of attraction but haven't had great results? In this video, you'll learn the first of 5 steps to manifesting like a pro. The very first step in using the law of attraction is to set goals. Why is this important? Because the whole idea of manifesting is to create something different than what we have now. But you can't get from here to there unless you have a good idea of where there is. Look at it this way. If you were going to Hawaii for 7 days, would you lie on the beach all day waiting for something exciting to happen? Would you wander around aimlessly hoping to find something exciting to do? Well, maybe. I don't think you would do that. No! Chances are you would plan each day so you could make the most of your limited time in that beautiful vacation destination. And our lives are the same way. We need to plan our short time here on the planet in order to make the most of it. And that means setting goals. Are you ready? Let's do this! In order to prime the pump of the manifestation machine, we need to set goals in 3 areas. Grab a piece of paper and a pen if you want to take notes, or you can download a free PDF on my website that has everything laid out for you, or like this video so you can come back to it anytime. To imagine that you have amnesia. You have no memory of the past. The traumas, the bad things, the fears, the doubts, the limiting beliefs are all washed away. Gone. You're working with a clean slate, and you can now choose whatever goals you want without any baggage. Then ask yourself these 3 questions. Question number 1, what mindset would you choose? A positive mindset is critical for several reasons. It's difficult to improve yourself and your life if you're filled with negativity on a regular basis. Happy people are healthier people, both physically and emotionally. Plus, when you're 100 years old, you don't want to look back on your life wishing you spent less time worrying and more time being happy. But most importantly, having a positive mindset raises your vibration, causing the universe to bring forth more things that cause you to be happy. Under this category, you can set goals such as, I feel positive every day, I'm optimistic, I see the positive aspects of every situation, I'm calm, cool, and collected. Question number 2, what kind of person would you choose to be? And this question is very important because when you're the best you can be, you feel confident, you have the ability to inspire others, you feel as if you're reaching your full potential. But most importantly, if you strive to be the best you can be, this will help the manifestation machine achieve the rest of your goals quicker and easier. When you set goals in this category, imagine a better version of yourself. How do you approach life? How do you handle tough situations? How do you walk? How do you talk? How do you act? Create goals that are in line with the kind of person that you want to be. And if you're having troubles coming up with goals in this area, just think of somebody you admire and write down some of the qualities they have that you'd like to achieve. This doesn't mean you're not perfect just the way you are, but there's nothing wrong with striving to be a better version of yourself. Question number 3, what kind of life would you choose to create? It's important to live your life by design. You'll feel more secure, worry less. You won't feel as if you're wasting your life away wishing you'd done things differently. What do you want your life to look like? Do you want a new career? Do you want a new car? Do you want a better family life? Do you want a better social life? Do you want more friends? What do you need in order to live the life of your dreams? Setting goals in these 3 areas let the universe know what your intentions are, and that makes them easier to achieve. Final thoughts. When you set goals, you have to be realistic. If you're 5'3" and you want to join the NBA, chances are you're just setting yourself up for failure. But if you love basketball, maybe you can set a goal to coach a local team or play in a local league. And make sure you put your list of goals where you can look at them often so your brain can marinate on them. And here's another very important tip. Break your goals down into bite-sized pieces. This makes them seem more achievable and gives you a boost of incentive every time you succeed. Life is hard by the yard, but a cinch by the inch. Setting goals is only the first of 5 steps to manifesting like a pro. So don't forget to check out the next 4 steps. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to see new videos every week. And if you could, please comment down below, ask a question, or just say hi. Or if you have a specific video on the law of attraction that you'd like to see, I'd love to hear from you. Bye for now.